check this out, you guys. Heather and I are currently growing elderberry. There's multiple in here, and these are going to have to be transplanted soon. And I'm going to keep you updated here on the YouTube channel with the progress of these as they grow. Elderberry is an amazing substance. I consume it regularly throughout winter, throughout the colder months to stay well. I consume it as a tea. I consume it in capsules as well as in an extract form. Elderberry is something that's been a huge game changer for me, and I'll talk more about it in the near future, but check this out. Look at all the new development. When we first got these were bare, and in a very short amount of time, there's just been so much development. So if you're interested, keep an eye out for my videos where I show you guys updates on these, because if they keep growing the way that they're growing or have been growing, these are going to get huge in a really short amount of time. So this is Heather's kind of workstation. She has a ton of plants here in the house, and it's really cool to watch the stuff that she's growing. It's cool to watch it grow. She's also got some rosemary back there, some basil, and check out this turmeric plant. This is curcuma longa, again also known as turmeric, and it took her a long time to get this to grow. Turmeric is pretty difficult to get to grow from a rhizome. You have to soak it for a long time, and it just takes a long time and a lot of care to get it to actually grow. I think it took over a month to get the rhizome to sprout, and I'll show you in the near future how to actually take a turmeric rhizome that you can buy at a store and grow it. If you look down here, there's even a little bit of new development. So awesome stuff, folks. But elderberry, check these out. Pretty cool. There's a handful of different benefits of elderberry. It's an immune booster. Most people consume it as an immune booster. You know, if you go to like a health food store, you'll find a lot of elderberry syrups and elderberry gummies. That stuff, although I think it's cool that they sell it, it's a step in the right direction. Oftentimes it's mixed with a bunch of crap and it's way overpriced. So on my Patreon page, I show you guys how to make your own elderberry syrup. And I'm going to, in the near future, I'm going to show you how to make even your own elderberry gummies and a handful of other things that you can use. There's just so many different recipes that you can use elderberry for, or with. So there's gummies, there's syrups, just a handful of different things, but pretty cool.